Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hayden and today I am here with the Shure MV7. Now, do you guys know, I bought the Rode PSA-1 not that long ago. It's a boom mic arm and it is meant for mics to balance out the weight of it. Now, I actually had the issue with my 5.5 Studio Cancer mic that it is way too light for the arm and the arm just springs back up by itself. So I wanted to upgrade my microphone anyways, so I was looking around, and I was looking at the HyperX Quadcast, but that's way too light, even though it's really nice in the RGB. But I was looking also at the Shure MV7. What I really wanted was a Shure SM7B, however that is a $400 microphone and very expensive. And it really comes quiet out of the box, so I would have needed a Focusrite or a Cloudrifter, and that's extra money on top. So I do not need all that professional gear, especially when the Shure MV7 looks just like it, even though the voice filter looks a little different. But I did buy an SM7B windscreen to go on top so it can look just like the SM7B, which is perfect. So let's get into this and unbox it. Alright guys, I've officially broken the seal. Now the top just comes off, and we'll just pull this open. Actually, a few things about this. It does say it's a podcasting mic, a home recording, and gaming. Obviously it says podcast, but there it says gaming. You can use this for anything that you want. The features of this, it has voice isolation technology, auto level mode, which is it automatically adjusts the level of your voice, which is crazy. It's live stream ready, customizable sound signature. You can literally monitor your voice with headphones while you are using this. It has touch panel control, and it is mic stand compatible. Now, there was an option for it to come with a mic stand, but you would have had to buy it separately. Now, I didn't really need it because I'm going to be using my Rode PSA-1. Now, I love this box. Like, look at this. Where are you going to get a box where it shows the MV7 and a guy on the side? That looks sick. Plus, I love the front. But sure enough, I needed some weight anyways for my Rode PSA-1, and just holding the box in my hand, you can definitely feel there's some weight there, so I'm already very happy. So I'm going to open this. The top, it says right there, oh my god, nice touch, welcome to better sound. That there is a nice touch alone, so I'm going to pull this out. Big white box. Alright, let's hold the box to the side. Welcome to better sound. I can't get over that. Oh wow, here we go. So you just have to pull this open. Nice big flap. Here we go. On top we already have a quick start guide about the mic. I do have to download a software for this, so this probably explains that. Here we go. We got some more Shure stuff. Desktop app. Just a piece of cardboard and a piece of plastic. Okay. And here we go. Now, on the side, we do get a couple cables, I believe. This one is micro USB, and this one, so this one is a USB-C cable. This thing doesn't really support USB-C, so I'm not really sure why they included that. But this is micro USB. This microphone supports micro USB and XLR. Now, I will not be using XLR as much as I'd like to because I don't have a Focusrite or a Cloudlifter. So I'm going to have to use micro USB. But here we go, here's the mic. Wow, this thing's got some serious weight to it. Sitting right in the box, you can just pull it out. Oh wow. And this thing is nice. It has like this little, I don't know what you call this, but it like moves with the microphone as you use it. Yeah, wow. You can just move it to however you're going to use it. But I'm going to be using it head on, so it'll probably just be like this, or like this. But this thing is really nice. Very, very heavy. That is exactly what I needed with this microphone. So on the side, there is a level adjuster for your voice. There's a mute button, which I enjoy, and a headphone/mic button on the side. Now, you will mostly be using this in the software, so you really won't be touching the hands-on part unless I need to mute myself for some reason. On the back, there is the headphone jack, the XLR port, and the micro USB slot. So as much as I'd like to use XLR, I will be using micro USB. We got that awesome Shure branding on the side. Now, I did watch a video where somebody made it literally look just like the SM7B, and took off the Shure logo by covering it with some black paint. I really don't like trying to customize expensive products on my own because of the fear of a giant mistake. But otherwise, this thing looks awesome. Oh, it looks like I missed something else in the box. We get a little screw. I believe this is going to help you mount it to the PSA-1 in case you are not able to with just the normal stand. I love when they include stuff like this because finding these screws is actually harder than you think because you actually don't know what size you will end up needing. Anything else in the box? Yeah, we just got some limited warranty info on the bottom. We got a yellow piece of paper, your caution stuff. Throw that back in. But I thought this was a sticker. I was going to say a Shure sticker would be awesome, but we just got information to the user. Other warranty stuff in different languages. And Shure limited warranty paper. Alright, throw that back in there. We'll put all this back in the box. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I will definitely let you know about this mic and how it fits with my Rode PSA-1 after about 1 to 2 weeks time. So if you like this video, definitely make sure to like it, comment down below, follow my social media, visit my new website if you want to, which is also linked down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.